friends, welcome back. Today we are visiting a new destination near Pune. It's a picnic spot near Pune which we have not visited before. We were very excited to visit this new monsoon destination. It's located around 30 kilometers from Pune, which is less than an hour's drive. Drive on Old Pune-Mumbai highway and just before Gordeshwar, take a right turn to the Begdewadi railway station. It is hardly 1 kilometer from there. You can also come by local to Begdewadi railway station. 15 to 20 minutes walk from the railway station will lead you to this beautiful place. Take right from this diversion and follow the road along the wall to reach the place. The road leading to this place is very scenic and peaceful. You can park the vehicle alongside the road and walk to the Begdewadi Dam. Kundmala, also called as Begdewadi Dam, is built on Indrayani River. Kundmala falls are formed when Indrayani River overflows in monsoon season. The bridge truly enhances the beauty of this location. Walking on this bridge is an adventure in itself. From this bridge you get spectacular view of the falls. This lesser known waterfall situated in the Mawal Taluka is an absolute treat to your eyes.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा।
These are naturally created potholes in the river bed. Water has cut these rocks as river water flows through these potholes. The environment was very pleasant here. Best time to visit here is during morning or evening with your friends and families for a small picnic by the riverside. But don't forget to carry your own picnic basket, water and mat to relax, as there are not many shops selling food items.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा।
After enjoying ourselves, we went back home with good memories. So friends, do visit this beautiful unexplored picnic spot near Pune where you can spend 2 or 3 hours easily. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe.